guys, Steph here. Okay, here's another pen that I recently found on my travels, and look at that, even the case itself is in absolutely gorgeous condition. Okay, when you find these cases, normally I find them, they're quite tatty, etc, but this one is in yeah, it's like new condition. So let's show you what's inside. There we go, so there's the pen. Let's just put that to one side for a moment. Inside, obviously, we've got the case. It's got Sheaffer. It's got 2 Sheaffer cartridges, and to the bottom here we've got the Sheaffer guarantee and the instructions to fill, well, fountain pens, ballpoints, pencils, etc. But a nice little touch, everything is with the pen, as I say, even with 2 cartridges. So let's pop that to one side, let's bring the pen back on, and there we have it. A gorgeous example. What we've got here is a Sheaffer Triumph number 777 fountain pen in absolutely gorgeous condition. Now this one is, well, if we go straight to the sort of, well, not such the barrel imprint, but the imprint on the cap there, and you'll see it says, hopefully, it says Sheaffer, well, it says gold electroplated, it's got the crown symbol, and then it has Sheaffer USA. So it's got a lovely clear imprint. So as it says, the pen is gold plated in 12 karat gold. The size of the pen capped is 132 millimeters capped. Around the barrel, around here, it's approximately 11.5 millimeters in diameter. And it's always difficult to video these gold pens, but I'm not sure if you can actually see. It comes in a lined pattern, so i.e. it's got these lines running sort of down and up and down the length of the pen itself. To the very top there we've got the very recognizable clip, Sheaffer clip. To the very top there you can see it's got the white dot, but all in all in gorgeous condition. Just to the bottom there it has this sort of flat end, if you like, but as I say, in gorgeous condition. The pattern to the pen is still, you can actually tell when a pen has not actually been used. You can actually feel the pattern to the touch. A lot of times when they're actually used, they're a little bit worn, so they feel quite smooth. In this case, you can actually feel the line pattern to the touch. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's take off the cap for you. Let's give you a couple of the sort of customary twirls. As I say, when I saw this pen I thought, oh, that's very nice, and I bought it off the lady. It's absolutely gorgeous. You can see it's got a couple of sort of what we term as a sort of clutch ring down to the bottom of the section there. The section comes in black, and the nice thing about this pen here, if I turn it round, I don't know if it's actually visible on video, but you'll see underneath there it still has the original chalk mark, which has an M, and the M indicating to us that the nib is a medium nib. And there's the nib itself. For you people that know or don't know, it's this lovely Sheaffer inlaid nib. Yeah, I think one of my favourite nibs. Very attractive in my opinion. But let's try and show you the imprint. The imprint reads Sheaffer, to the left 14 karat, to the right 585, and then down to the bottom of the nib it has USA. Okay, so the pen, nice and simply made in USA. It was made, I would say, circa early 1980s, but gorgeous pen, as it says, with a medium nib. If we unscrew the barrel, there we go, we've got a Sheaffer converter fitted, so you can actually use it with bottled ink, or as you saw before, you've got the cartridges. So it's a cartridge converter fountain pen. Now I'm not going to do a writing sample, because the reason being, nice and simple, this pen has never been inked. Okay, so whoever had the pen popped it in the box and it's not been used since. Okay, so it's never been inked, there's no sign of any ink. I've actually took the converter out, inspected inside, there's no sign of any ink residue. So basically the pen has never ever been inked. So I'm not going to do a writing sample, I'm going to leave that pleasure to the new owner, because what we'll do, we'll try and find a home for this gorgeous Sheaffer Triumph number 777. A absolutely stunning example, beautiful condition, with the original case, instructions, converter, new, well, whether they're new, they'll be new sort of 1980s, so yeah, they may have dried out, but it comes as it originally would have came from the retailer. A gorgeous, gorgeous example. So there we have it, a beautiful Sheaffer Triumph fountain pen. I hope you've enjoyed watching the video as much as I love showing you these pens. Don't forget, leave a comment down below, don't forget to subscribe. Just below there, give the video a thumbs up. A lot of you people forget, but give the video a thumbs up if you will, that would be appreciated. But for now, I'm just simply going to say Slavo Ukraini, and from me and this beautiful pen, I'm just going to say bye bye for now.